took the setup from yesterday's video with the price action signals, and I've added the ultimate delta with the delta diamond signals. Had an ebb and flow to the downside, had a delta diamond to the downside, spectrometer was relaxed. I was looking for a retest of value area high here, which we just got. Had some imbalance signals to the downside on the 5-minute, bearish ADX on the 5-minute, started to turn bearish on the Heikin Ashi, dipping down below the 20, dipping down below London Open. Just grabbed another short, ebb and flow signal to the downside, triple X turned bearish. This candle, spectrometer, goes relaxed. Double signal, we got delta diamond, ebb and flow, decent amount of delta coming in compared to the last 10 minutes. Looking for a pullback to VWAP, which we just got here. We had a nice clenched signal back here. It's green triangle, some delta diamonds, ebb and flow, had a nice little push up. Just got into a long. On the 5-minute we had washout and an imbalance to the upside. We were right at yesterday's close. Had some double divergence and another washout a little bit earlier. This area was holding. Grabbed a little long there. I just grabbed a short after this double signal right here. We had a delta diamond and an ebb and flow to the downside. Closing back below whole number. I'm still a little partial to shorts at the moment. Grabbed another few points there. Trying to trick myself into trading the minis again like I used to. Now that I'm copy trading the minis on one of these Apex accounts. I tried to do some crazy maneuvers on my take profit trader evaluation. The renewal deadline was coming up, and since I'd just been trading the micros on it, I was probably not going to pass in time, so I screwed the pooch on that one, trying to do some last minute big size maneuvering. But I still have the take profit trader Pro account, and I still have my Apex funded account. Then I grabbed one new Apex 50K account that I'm trading the minis on via my REPLIKANTO. So still just trading the micros, but then it automatically trades one mini for every micro that I trade in this one particular Apex account. So hopefully I'll be able to trick myself back into trading bigger size, just trading the minis. It's either that or I grab 10 or 20 prop accounts to do the micros on, so it adds up to something more substantial. But I thought just grabbing one account and doing the crossover trade where it automatically converts the micro to a mini, I thought that would be an easier option. So far so good. I just logged into the afternoon session here. Look at this lovely little move. Diamonds, ebb and flows. Then we get a triple signal. Nice pullback. I just grabbed a little short here for 5 points or so. We had a delta diamond to the downside, and then another delta diamond to the downside, plus a spectrometer clenched signal. So on this double signal, got short, got 5 points or so. I just grabbed a short based on the wick on this candle and the fact that we were approaching the 20 SMA on the 5-minute and this imbalance signal here to the downside. And the higher time frame looking pretty bearish. Got this double signal up here with the spectrometer and a delta diamond. Getting a nice pullback here. Telling you, the spectrometer signals are a force to be reckoned with. Just on this little snippet of the chart alone, we got this spectrometer signal to the upside back here. Pop up. Spectrometer clench signal right there. A little pop down. Another one, a little pop down. This was cutting edge technology at the time. Still is. I know a lot of people seem to only be interested in the very latest thing that I've created, but they all hold some serious weight. So we got the nice drop after this double signal. Then we have some delta diamonds coming in. A little triple signal right there. Getting a pop back up. We have point of control down in this wick. Imbalance signal to the upside. I like having the imbalance signals on the 5-minute. They appear intra-bar, then it kind of gives me a general sense of the current sentiment of the 5-minute candle. I almost took a long here. We've got a double value area high / value area low level. Bounced up about 15 points there. I was thinking we might make it down to the pivot point, but we got a pretty big hold up right here. Alright, we did finally make it down to the pivot point here. Got into a long, we bounced off of the pivot point right to the tick. Just bounced up about 9 points. I've still got my delta push set up running in the background with the market maker buttons, but I just wanted to play around with this price action chart today. Got the color change on the XXX here, the green candles. Got a double signal. Also had imbalanced signal to the upside, a washout signal to the upside, point of control down on the wick on the 5 minute. Got a nice pushback up there. Just grabbed a little short here. We had a double signal back here, and then we pulled back. And when we were pulling back, we got an imbalanced signal to the downside on the 5 minute. Went for a little short. We just dropped down over 10 points from where I got in. The multi-time frame combo. Would not want to trade without it. Almost got into a long here. Yesterday's point of control. It was our first touch of yesterday's point of control. We hit it pretty much to the tick there. Just bounced up 10 points. I was kind of multitasking as it was coming down, so I did not take the trade, but it was a good one. We've had a few double signals here. Double signal, double signal, double signal, all in the same direction as the candles. It's almost 3:30, gonna be done for the day. Got some things to do. I'm excited about trading the regular NQ in my one account here. Just trading the micros and having it automatically trade a NQ behind the scenes, shadowing me with some big boy pants. There are links to the indicators in the description. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan is the best. Thanks so much for your support. Apex has 80% off once again. Take Profit Trader has 40% off and no activation fees. Tradeify's got some good deals. I wish you best of luck in your trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.